Hey guys, we're live at 6:30 p.m. running a mini. Actually, while I'm here, I got 52 spots that I'm going to copy and take them up. Running a mini for Kenneth's Boba Fett's. Ideally, we'll have 52 spots here. I'm going up to the top just to check in on exactly what we're doing. There they are. I can see there's 52 spots here. Four top 4 win spots in a main. I'm going to paste them in here. We do have 52, which is fantastic. That's a great jumping off point. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 6. We're in great shape. Let's do it. Good luck, you Sunday battlers. Ryan in the top 2 spots for our first round. Dustin 2. David 3. Todd takes round 4 with number 20. Gary in the top spot for our next to last round, round 5, with what appeared to be number 28, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks, as we get down to it. And the winners are Gary, Jeff, Dustin, and Ryan. Congratulations, fellas. There they are. All the rest of you. All in a row. LGUJHE is our verification. There's our winners one more time. I'm done. 6:32. Oh. Here we go. People just waiting in the wings. There it is. 6:32. Here's our winners. Congrats, guys. See you around. Thanks.